Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this Maybelline New York new baby lips. So as you can see, the color of it, it's like a baby pink color, and electro, it's written 8-hour moisturizer, and strike a rose, it's written over here. What else? How much they are giving, all the ingredients which are used in manufacturing this is mentioned over here. So let's open it and see whether the color, the baby pink color, it's actually what we say, it comes in or not. So this is how it looks like. It's just like a lipstick, you could say, but these are the moisturizer one. The packing is very amazing. It's the transparent cap, you could say, and this is how it looks like. This much quantity they are giving. Even inside that also there is little. So I'm gonna use it on my hand. You can see little pink color. Hope it's visible to you. So this is how it looks. So please go and try these are very good moisturizers. It moisturizes your lips and give a very cute pink color. So try these. They are in other colors also. You can have them easily to carry and all. So thank you if you like this video, and do not forget to subscribe.